हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एल्गोरिथम्स। आप सभी का हमारे चैनल एल्गोरिथम पर स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो वी सी द एडवांस कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन फॉर आरजीपीवी ऑनलाइन एग्जाम 2020। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एडवांस कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क के एमसीक्यू फॉर ऑनलाइन एग्जाम 2020 के लिए। यदि आपने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे कि नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। इफ़ यू आर नॉट सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर नोटिफिकेशन। लेट्स गो सी द MCQ एडवांस कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क फॉर ऑनलाइन एग्जाम 2020। Let's go for question number 1. So question number 1 is, router operates in which layer of OSI reference model? So first one is layer 1, physical layer, and second is network layer, and third one is transport layer, and D is the option number D is application layer. So right answer of question number first is option number B, network layer, because a router is a specialized network device connected to two or more network. So this is a line of network layer number 3. Let's go for question number second. So question number second is, ADSL is a abbreviation of, so so ASDL is a type of digital subscriber line technology. So a data communication technology that enable faster data transmission over copper telephone line. So right answer of this question option number D, asymmetric digital subscriber line. This is the right answer of question number 2. Let's go for question number 3. So question number 3 is, how many layers does OSI reference model has? So OSI, open system interconnection reference model, has 7 layers. First layer is physical layer, and second layer is data link layer, and third layer is network layer. So physical layer, data layer, and network layer is also called media layer, and fourth layer is transport layer, and fifth layer is session layer, and sixth presentation, and last one is application. So transport layer, session layer, and presentation layer, and application is also called host layer. So right answer of question number 3 is option number D. 7 layer is as an OSI model. Let's go for question number 4. So question number 4 is, bridge work in which layer of OSI model? So right answer of question number 4 is option number D, data link layer. This is the right answer of question number 4. Let's go for question number 5. So question number 5 is, why IP protocol is considered in as unreliable? So first option is here, a packet may be lost, and second is packets may arrive out of order, and third one is duplicate packets may be generated, and last one is all of the above. So right answer of question number 5 is option number D, all of the above, because duplicate packets may be generated, and packets may arrive out of order, and पैकेट में भी लॉस्ट. सो पैकेट यहाँ पे लॉस्ट भी हो सकता है, एंड आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर भी हो सकता है, एंड डुप्लीकेट पैकेट जनरेट भी हो सकते हैं. लेट्स गो फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज, विच इज़ द बेनिफिट ऑफ द नेटवर्किंग? सो फर्स्ट वन इज फाइल शेयरिंग, एंड सेकेंड वन इज ईजियर एक्सेस टू रिसोर्सेज, एंड थर्ड वन इज easier backups, and last one is all of the above. So right answer of question number 6 is option number D, because all of the benefits of the networking. So file sharing is one of the benefit of network, and second is easier access to resource, any access resource is easy, and third one is easy backup. So backup, किसी भी डिवाइस का बैकअप हम इजी तरीके से लें. सो नेटवर्किंग के हमें ये बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं. Let's go for question number 7. So question number 7 is, which of the following is not the networking device? So gateways, second one is Linux, and third one is routers, and last one is firewalls. So right answer of question number B, option number B, Linux, because Linux is a operating system, so this is not a networking device. Let's go for question number 8. So question number 8 is a what is the maximum header size of an IP packet? So first option is 32 bytes, and second is 64 bytes, and third one is 30 bytes, and last one is 60 bytes. So right answer of question number 8 is option number D, 60 bytes. This is the right answer. Let's go for question number 9. So question number 9 is which of the following is correct in BLSM? So BLSM is variable length subnet mask. So BSM stand for variable length subnet mask, where the subnet design user more than one mask in the same network. So first option is here, can have subnets of different sizes, and second is subnets must be same sizes, and third one is no required of subset, and last one is all of those. So right answer of question number 9 is option number A, can have subnets of different sizes, because it's a one mask in the same network. Let's go for question number 10. So question number 10 is DHCP server provides blank space to the client. So first option is here, first one is protocol, second option is IP address, and third one is MAC address, and last one is network access. So DHCP is a dynamic host configuration protocol. So right answer of question number 10 is option number B, IP address. It is a provide the IP address. Let's go for question number 11. So question number 11 is what is the address size of IPv6? So first option is here 32 bit, and second is 64 bit, and third one is 128 bit, and last one is 256. So right answer of question number 11 is option number C, IPv6 is 128 bit. Let's go for question number 12. So question number 12 is what is the size of network bits and host bits of class A of IP address? So first option is here, for network bit 7, host bit is 24, and second is network bit is 8 and host bits is 24, and third one is network bits is 7 and host bits is 23, and last one is network bits is 8 and host bits is 23. So right answer of this question option number A, network bits is 7 and host bits is 24. Let's go for question number 13. So question number 13 is what is the full form of RAID? So RAID full form is redundant array of inexpensive disks. So right answer of question number 13 is option number option number 1. This is the right answer of question number 13. Let's go for question number 14. So question number 14 is what do you mean by the broadcasting in network? So first option is it means addressing a packet of the to all machine, and second one is it means addressing a packet to some machine, and third one is it means addressing a packet to a particular machine, and third one is it means addressing a packet to expect a particular network. So right answer of question number 14 is option number A, it means addressing a packet to all machine. Let's go for question number 15. So question number 15 is what is the size of source of destination IP address in IP header? So right answer of answer number 15 is option number D, 32 bit. So if you have any query and any question related this video, so please comment, and if you like this video, so please subscribe, like, share and comment also. Thanks for watching.